Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Vieri from Advocacy class, and in this video, I want to tell you how to make educational game with EduCandy. So, first thing first, I want you to open your browser. And go to educandy.com. As you can see here, there's a lot of things in the main menu. And also, there are some samples that you can try before you create your own games. So, before you create your games, you need to sign in first. If you don't have an account yet, you can register by clicking the register button down here. If you have already logged in with your account, you can choose what kind of games that you want to make. And in here, I pick the words game. Then you see these two empty columns that you can fill with your own choices of names and subjects. And then, because we picked the words game, we must enter the words that we want to put in the game. We must enter at least 3 words. And the next step will pop up in here. So, it's finished. If you want to share it with your students and friends, you can scroll down a bit and you can find the shareable link. And what if we want to edit our previous game? It's simple. You can go to my activities and there's a list of your games. Just click edit on the activities that you want to edit. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Bye bye.